Hi, my name's Carmelo Cruz. I'm the product marketing manager here at Amphenol for the Power Solutions business unit. This year at OCP, we're featuring a variety of new products, including power solutions ranging from 50 amps to over 1,000. For the rack and power specifications, we're featuring new products such as our BK700 with thermosensor for monitor and control. We have our upgraded path for the IT gear solutions up to 300 amps with sense pins. And then we also have our BK700s with braided cable for improved space efficiency. We're also featuring a host of PSU connectors, including our MCRPS carded power supply connectors, which are rated up to 3,000 watts. We have our two-piece power blade family, which is a two-piece PSU connector on the ORV30 specification. We have our MCRPS DC inputs into the power supply and also the high voltage version. And then lastly, we also have our AC whip cable assemblies, including our new 65 amp cable assembly for this year's specs.